Welcome to my honest review of My Finances Online, the personal finance app that's gaining traction for its comprehensive money management tools. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the key features of My Finances Online, helping you understand whether this tool is the right fit for your financial goals. Starting from the homepage, My Finances Online immediately stands out with its sleek and user-friendly design. Navigation is intuitive, making it easy for users of all experience levels to get started. One of the first things you'll notice is the customizable dashboard, which displays your financial summary at a glance. From here, you can view your total income, expenses, and savings progress in real time. Setting up an account is simple, requiring just a few basic details. Once logged in, you'll have access to powerful budgeting tools. My Finances Online allows you to set spending limits across different categories, like groceries, entertainment, and transportation. The app also provides alerts when you're close to exceeding your budget, helping you stay on track. One of the standout features is the goal-setting functionality. You can create savings goals for major life events, such as buying a car, planning a vacation, or building an emergency fund. The app automatically calculates how much you need to save each month to reach your goal, providing helpful reminders to stay committed. Another key benefit is the app's ability to link with your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment platforms. This enables automatic transaction tracking, saving you time and effort, while offering a complete picture of your financial health. Security is a priority, and My Finances Online employs robust encryption to keep your data safe. For those who prefer visual insights, the app provides detailed charts and graphs that show spending trends over time. This makes it easier to identify areas where you can cut back and improve your financial habits. There's even an AI-driven feature that analyzes your financial behavior and suggests personalized money-saving tips. The mobile app is equally impressive, offering full functionality on the go. Whether you're checking your account balances, tracking expenses, or reviewing financial reports, everything is accessible from your smartphone. One area where My Finances Online truly excels is customer support. There's a comprehensive help center with articles, video tutorials, and live chat support for any questions or issues you might encounter. Overall, My Finances Online is a versatile and feature-rich tool that can help you gain control over your finances and achieve your goals. If you're serious about improving your financial situation, this app is definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.